Y'all, do not get it twisted. I know looks can be deceiving because this thing looks absolutely gorgeous, but can I just cut you in on some of the deets real quick? I had so much shedding coming out of this unit. This is fresh out of the box and the shedding was cray cray. This is a lot of the shedding that I got from the unit. There was more than that. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday sleeves, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is yet another new unit. This one is from the It's a Wig collection. I'm wearing it in the style Asia and the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
I make you leave. You can't speak when you're next to me, texting me. You know that you're the best for me, testing me. I know you almost left to me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me.
Okay you guys, so with this unit you do get your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This one does come pre-plucked. It also does have HD lace and 13x6 parting space. Now one of the things I do like about this unit is the cap size. It's pretty flexible, so I do feel like if you have a small, medium, or big sized head, this one definitely will be pretty good for you. It's pretty much fitting me ear to ear. So the density on this unit, so when you hold it up like this, the density feels like it's about 150%, but the more that you comb it out, I was using my wide tooth comb, you definitely get some more voluminous curls going on, so the density seems a little bit bigger. So I would definitely say it's at least 150. It could be a little bit more. The length on it is pretty long. It comes below my boobs, and when I'm turned around it is like hitting my butt, so this is a lot of hair. I definitely don't see this as like an everyday hairstyle for sure, because the shedding honey, the tangling honey is something serious, and the texture on this bad boy is definitely more on the silky side for sure. I don't know what type of hair they use, but like every time I run my fingers through this hair, the tangling and shedding, like every time I run my hands through it, this is fresh out of the box. Like, can you imagine wearing this out and about? So if you wear this out and about, this definitely is going to be one of those units that you're going to have to bring either your powder brush or your wide tooth comb with. Like, that's just straight off the bat. You're 100% going to need that, because this bad boy, especially around the nape area, honey, you ain't ready for it. You really ain't ready for it. So let me just come in and show you what the hairline is looking like. I think it looks pretty good. Don't mind my baby hairs if they're coming up some, you guys. Ooh, see that? More snags. More snags. Sorry, y'all. It's a little bit hot in here. This ring light is beaming on me, so my baby hairs are lifting up some. But the hairline, I feel like it looks pretty good. It's a little bit dense and could be plucked out some more, but nothing too crazy. And it does come with a ridiculously good amount of baby hairs all around the front of it, so you definitely could lay those as you like. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this shedding mad boy is looking like. So let me just get into the cons and pros for you. So my first con is definitely going to be the texture of it. Like I said, it looks really pretty. I feel like it looks like a human hair dupe, but the texture, the shedding and tangling is too much, to the point where I feel like if you're wearing this unit for like more than 2 or 3 hours or something, you're probably going to be getting irritated that you're running your hands through it and it's snagging everywhere. And even if you don't touch it, I feel like you're going to be like, is my hair snagging? Is my hair like clumping up? I mean, I honestly kind of feel like that's my only con on this unit, because I pretty much do like everything else about it. But I feel like hair texture is an important thing, because obviously you're not going to be able to get it to last super long if the hair texture itself is already kind of sucky. So definitely keep that in mind. This is not one that I would pick up again, simply because of the texture, but everything else about it I do like. I think the density is really nice. This curl pattern is beautiful. I feel like the whole frontal situation is pretty good. It probably could use a little bit more plucking, but nothing too crazy. The parting space is very plenty, so that's good. The cap size is very versatile. The 13x6 parting is really good. You can do all those styles, so it's really versatile. So there definitely are more pros than cons, but just like I said, for me, the con is super important. So definitely just keep that in mind. If you're looking at this unit and thinking about checking it out and trying it, just know, honey, if you do pick it up, if straight out of the box is tingling and shedding like this, I can only imagine what it's going to be wearing it out and about, honestly. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.